Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther Arimiokai and I am an edtechpreneur. On this channel, we would be discussing everything technology for education. You can call me an edtechie and I am here to help you maximize technology to improve your teaching and your students' learning outcome. In this video, I'll be showing you the tips and tricks of sharing your screen on Zoom, how best to share the resource you'd like to share. Let's dive into another simplified EdTech tutorial.
The first thing we're going to take a look at is the screen share setting. So I'm going to come here to the setting icon. I click on settings and come to share screen. There we're going to see the window size when you're screen sharing. Do you want it to be full screen mode or maximize window, or maintain the actual size you're using? I prefer to use a full screen mode because it's more bold and more optimized. Now to the scale, do you want the scale, the size to fit your Zoom window? By default, I like to choose that. And now when it comes to the side-by-side mode, this is about your participants and the content you're sharing. Do you want to see both at the same time? Do you want to see them side by side? Yes, so that you can read the expressions of your students if their videos are on, obviously, so you can know whether they're following what you're teaching or not. I highly recommend the side-by-side mode. And when it comes to the silent system notification when sharing desktop, please make sure you check that box. You do not know what would pop on your screen while you're sharing your screen, and you don't want some sort of intrusion into your privacy. So as a teacher, I would always recommend that you silence your system notification even during your Zoom classes. Whether or not you're sharing your screen, those notifications can be very distracting. For the share applications, we're going to choose the share individual window option since we are not using a third-party application to share our screen. And that when you're sharing your screen in a meeting, always show all sharing option so that you can choose which of the tabs you want to share. If you automatically share desktop, if you choose this, it means that anytime you share your screen, it goes straight to your desktop. But if you choose show all sharing options, it's going to give you the options. You have the tabs you already have open, and then you can choose from those tabs. These last parts, we're not going to bother about them. We're just going to get started with the screen sharing process. I'm going to start a new meeting now. Okay, the meeting is on, and this is the icon for screen sharing. The green thing here with the arrow in it. You click on that and it's going to show the options. These are the tabs I have available. I have open. My desktop is there. Then my Chrome is open, YouTube, and I have this document open also on my laptop. I can choose either of this to share, or I choose a whiteboard. This is fantastic for teachers. All right, I'm going to start with this one. I choose a whiteboard and I share. On the whiteboard, I can draw, I can do whatever I want. I can insert the text box and type in the text box. I can clear my drawings, clear on my drawings, and this is my text box. There. So you can see it's fantastic for teachers, just like the typical whiteboard, the traditional whiteboard we have. This is something like that. Now you want to switch what you're sharing. You don't want to share the whiteboard anymore. Just come to new share, click on new share, and you can switch to whatever you're sharing. Let's say I want to share the YouTube tab. I want to play a video on YouTube. I will click on this, but below here you can see two boxes to be checked: share sound and optimize for video clip. Since I want to share a video, I would click on share sound. Now I want to share a video from YouTube. Normally when you're sharing a video, when you're streaming a video directly to Zoom, you're sharing from a streaming platform. There is this choppy feeling you get. It's like your video is not playing smoothly. I mean, your participant will not really enjoy the video you're sharing. So you should click on the optimize for video clip option, because it helps the video to be less choppy. It reduces the choppiness and your student can have a good experience of what they are watching. So when you're done choosing this, you can click on share. So you can see my YouTube is live. If I click on any video and play now, my students can watch, they can hear the sound, because I have allowed Zoom to share my sound. If you do not like this video panel you see here, you want to hide it, all you have to do is click on more and hide video panel. If you also forgot to share sound while you were going to share your screen, you could come here and share your computer sound. Now I'm going to stop sharing my screen and explain the last aspect of this video. Okay, let's go to share screen. And yes, these two parts, they allow you to share your phone screen to Zoom. And it comes in two ways. You can do it via AirPlay or you do it via cable. I prefer to do it via AirPlay because it's simpler. All you have to do is follow the prompt. So you click here and then you click share. Now, if you're using this feature for the first time, it's going to require you to install a plugin. Nothing serious. Just go ahead and install the plugin to be able to share your phone screen on the Zoom app. It's fantastic for teachers. In case you have a document that you can't locate on your phone, or you want to show your students how to use a particular mobile application, you just share your phone screen instead. So I'm going to follow the prompt. I'm going to connect to the same Wi-Fi network as the laptop. I'm going to do what it asks me to do. Doing that now. Connecting. And that is my phone screen. I can decide to do whatever I want here and my students will be able to see my screen. So here I want to show them how to use the application. This is what I have to do. I'm done showing them what I want to show them. I stop share. That is all about sharing screen. You come here to share your screen and you choose any of the tabs you want to share. If you're planning to share a video clip, you can optimize for video clip. And if you're planning to share music directly from your computer, you can click on the advanced setting and share your computer audio. In the advanced settings, you can share your computer audio and you can also share a portion of your screen. As the host of the meeting, you might want your students to share their screen and you don't want them to be the host of the meeting. All you have to do is to come to the share screen icon. Next to it, you're going to see a symbol that's like a V upside down, like this. You click on it and you can see the advanced sharing options. I'm going to click on advanced sharing options now and choose multiple participants can share simultaneously. That means that you can share your screen and they can share their screen without asking you for permission. But if you choose one participant at a time and you choose only host, that means that only you can share. And if they want to share their screen, they would have to request permission from you. If your class is an open class, I would recommend that you choose multiple participants can share simultaneously.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I upload more videos that would help you improve your online teaching using technology. Thank you.